Tried to do a little digging earlier today. I found 3 or 4 halves, but it's just so hard. So I thought I'd do a little walking. Check this out. Last time I found a rice side notch here, it was a real bright red one, sugar quartz, and that's in the Jim George collection. That's another nice rice. I'm a very happy man with that. It's been rough lately, so yeah, I'll take that anytime. Later days. What's going on, Wilson? Wilson's looking at his brand new squeaky toys we got him. Where's the worm?
Oh no, over there, they're fighting over it.
Uh-oh.
There he goes.
That little guy's got the worm. He's targeted. Here he goes. Oh, he got it on his own over here. Uh-oh. Boom. Uh-oh. He's quick. And he's in the house. He's only got 1 follower. Let's see. I wonder what.
Little cheater.
How long it'll take him to run out of there.
I don't know if he will.
Uh-oh. There comes one of them. Well, that's just a piece of corn. All of you got a corn.
You gotta get another worm.
Oh, we're prepared.
Ooh.
We're prepared here.
Ow.
Hope there ain't no law against giving worms to chickens. Chicken cruel, worm
All the
cruel.
little ones are trying to give it, but they can't.
That one might have been too big a worm.
Oh.
Oh, look at that little pig inside there. Oh, he's got half of it.
I don't know.
What do you think?
Chicken wars.
This is Kayla's chickens.
That little one still has it, and
He ain't coming out. He's smart. Okay. Later days.